Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix no sound during calls on Samsung Galaxy A17. Let's begin! So, there are a couple of ways in which you can possibly fix the no sound during calls issue. But before that, a groundwork. By default, when you use volume buttons, you are by default increasing the volume button, unless you are, of course, connected to Bluetooth device. That brings us to our first point, the Bluetooth devices, which, by default, are actually the one that takes the input and output of your calls. So, if you have a friend calling you and you have your device, for example, headphones connected, then the headphones are the one receiving the audio, and you can actually talk to your friend through the microphone built inside your headphones. So if you're not hearing anything, then this means that there's a very high chance that your headphones might be receiving the input. In order to fix that, all you want to do is simply expand the control center from the top right corner and then hit on Bluetooth to just disable it. And as you can see now, the Bluetooth is disabled and we are the one that are receiving the actual call now. However, if we go back here, we'll see that we are now changing the media volume. If we click three dots, we can change some system volume. As you can see, we have ringtone, media, notifications, system, AI assistant, and finally alarm. But there is no setting for changing the call volume. This is because this only appears while you are at call with somebody. So when you're calling someone and you're during a call, you can click power buttons to then increase the call volume. Unfortunately, it is not available normally. I have no idea how to enable it normally without being on a call. But trust me, when you are on a call with somebody, you probably just want to bump up the volume as high as possible, and then you should be able to increase your volume. And by that I mean, of course, the call volume. And lastly, if you still have some issues, then there is a very high chance that something just might be broken in the code or it's something and your speakers aren't working properly. So a nice little reboot should help you. You can do that by expanding the control center once again, clicking the power icon and then hitting restart twice. And with that, our phone should be restarting and then we should be able to just use our phone again. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.